Hey guys, today we're continuing our Regents review session. Let's get started. It says, base your answer to question 8 through 10 on the passage in the map below. The field map in your answer booklet and on your knowledge of earth science. The map shows the location of Crater Lake in Oregon, so here's Crater Lake in Oregon, and the western United States. The field map shows lake depths and some isolines in Crater Lake recorded in meters. So this is our map of the Crater Lake, and in your answer booklet you'll find the field map, which shows isolines that shows the lake's depth in meters. Line A, B, and line CD are reference lines. So here's AB, here's CD, and letter X represents a location on the lake bottom. Here's letter X, a location on the lake bottom. So number 8, on the field map in your answer booklet, draw the 500-meter depth isoline. So let's get started. Here's the field map for Crater Lake, and you have to find the isoline that represents all the locations that have an elevation of 500. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is find out where my 500s numbers are written on this map. So it looks like here's a 500, here's a 500, here's a 500, here's one, here's a 500, and that's about it. And after this, you need to figure out where your other locations for 500s might be, or where you might have 500 meters of depth, and you have to look in between the numbers and estimate. So 500 should be somewhere between 560 and 540. This line right here is 400. 500 must be between 570 and 400. It can be between 450 and 570. It can be between 400, this line, and 550. It can be between 400, which is this line, and 575. It can be between 400 and 550. It can be between 490 and 550. It can be between 550 and 400. This line, circular line, is 400. It can be between 450 and 540. It can be between 530 and 460. It can be between 540 and 400. Remember, this line is 400. It can be between 560 and 450. It can be between 560 and 450 again. So now I have kind of an outline of which way I should draw my line. The more stars that you draw, the better. There are definitely more locations I could draw stars, but now I created a guide and I just need to go connect all my stars and my dots. So with the circles that you drew around the 500s, make sure you're going through the dots for the 500s. So if I connect everything, if I'm stuck here and I don't know which way to go, I can add more stars. 500 is between 550 and 450, so I can add a star here and keep going. So I could either choose to go here and here. 500 is between 550 and 400, so I can add a star here. If I'm stuck here, 500 is between 530 and 450, so add a star. And there you go. Your answer should look something like this. Make sure you know your line is not touching any other line. And that's it for this one.